And welcome back to the Crochet Crowd, as well as my friends over at Yarnspirations.com. It is time for the summer stitch along as we begin our journey together, lasting 5 weeks, and we're going to start our journey right here in the park. Like any summer stitch along, we're going to work together in a community and go down the path and see where it's going to take us. We wanted to play with some texture in this and also stitches that I've not used before. So you're going to experience the tulip stitch within this particular idea. We really wanted to frame it on the idea of a park, because the park, you really never know when you're walking through the seasons and what you'll find and the critters that will be in the trees and on the ground. So we're going to begin our journey with the study of geometry, and don't worry, I've done the math. I'll explain. So the whole concept of this is to do diamonds and triangles, and if you look really carefully, you'll see that the triangles are actually half of a diamond. So there's a lot of repetition in this one so that you don't have to really think too hard this summer. And we're going to be doing some really cool stitching that has a three-dimensional texture to it. And I think the way that you do your color play is going to be amazing. So let's go through the hook size and the gauge. It is a 5.5mm size I crochet hook, and the gauge is 13 single crochets by 14 rows. You may want to test that before you get started, because we are going to be working in a circle essentially with each of the diamonds and the triangles. We want to get our gauge right so that it will sit flat for you. The colors that we'll be using in the Red Heart Super Saver, there's just 8 balls. It's just 1 ball of each color. They are as follows: light gray, real teal, lemon, soft navy, soft white, spring green, shocking pink, and jade. So are you ready for a challenge? Well, the date on screen is when we're going to get started. We're going to go for 5 weeks, and we're going to just go step by step, and we have it framed as if you're walking through the park. So I'd love for you to join me here summer 2021 as we do our summer stitch along together with you. It's the study of geometry with our friends at Yarnspirations, as well as my community as well, the Crochet Crowd. Have a good one, and we hope to see you on week number 1.